Hi, I'm Emily from Window Depot of Raleigh. If you're considering window replacement for your Holly Springs home, you've probably noticed there are tons of options out there. Let me tell you why so many of your neighbors are choosing vinyl windows. First, let's talk value. Vinyl windows give you incredible bang for your buck compared to other materials. They cost much less than wood or fiberglass windows, and they offer excellent performance that lasts for decades. Speaking of performance, vinyl windows are energy efficiency champions. Their frames naturally insulate better than aluminum, and when paired with our energy-efficient glass packages, they keep your home comfortable year-round. You'll notice the difference when your energy bills drop. Another perk of vinyl is that they are low maintenance. No scraping, sanding, or repainting ever. They won't warp, rot, or fade in our North Carolina climate. We custom manufacture every window to fit your home perfectly. Forget standard window sizes that leave gaps or require wall modifications. Our vinyl replacement windows are custom made for your specific openings. Our experienced window installers take pride in proper installation, ensuring your new windows perform as designed for decades. From classic double hung to elegant bay windows, we offer styles to complement any Holly Springs home. And with our competitive pricing, you'll get the best replacement windows without breaking the bank. Ready to explore your options? Give us a call today for a free, no-pressure consultation. We'd love to show you why vinyl windows are the smart choice for your home.